Thought I'd work a quick little example for you here. Here's Pascal's little principle. We've got our little U-shaped thing here. My R1 is 0.012 meters, R2 is 0.15 meters, and then the density of the fluid that I'm working with is 800 kilograms per cubic meter. It's usually like a light oil. That way you don't get rust inside of here. You rarely are going to use water. So now, what if I am pushing on this side, so like say we have a car over here. This is generally where you're going to use this stuff. We got a car over on this side, and F2 is, what do I got? 20,500 newtons. What is F1 going to equal? Well, let's go back to our equation from earlier where F1 or A1, because these two pressures, here's pressure 1 and here's pressure 2. So pressure 1 has to equal pressure 2 because they're at the same height. So pressure 2 over A2, wait, this is force 2 over A2. So what does force 1 equal? Force 1 equals force 2 times A1 over A2. Force 2 is 20,500 newtons times A1, which is pi 0.012 squared divided by pi, area 2, 0.15 squared. The pi's cancel out. When you multiply all of this out, you're going to get 131 newtons. So, look, I don't have to press very hard here to hold this car in place here. But what happens when they're not at the same place? So, here, I'm going to press down with F1. Here's my car again. This is a horrible looking car. So my areas are the same. So these are going to be, this is R2 and this is R1. But now I've got this extra fluid here that's helping me. So if we go back to P2 equals P1 plus rho GH, and pressure, or is it force over area, so this becomes F2 over A2 equals F1 over A1 plus rho GH. Multiply both sides. Oh, what am I looking for? I'm looking for F1. So I'm going to multiply both sides by A1. And so then, let's see here. So this A by A1, this becomes F2 A1 over A2 minus rho GH A1, and that's going to equal F1. So notice my force is going to be slightly less than the weight of the car because this little bit of oil is helping me out. So let's plug these numbers in. So area 1 is pi r, area 1 is 0.012 pi r squared, pi 0.15 squared minus 800 times 10 times, what was my height here? Oh, I forgot to tell you. It was 1.1 meters. 1.1 meters times 1.1 times the area 1, which is what I'm pushing on, which is pi, area 1 is on top, times 0.012 squared, and that's going to give me F1. These pi's cancel out, but that one does not. You work around a little bit, you end up with 100. I just realized you didn't. It was way down here, and you couldn't see anything. 127 newtons.